What's that face? Smelly, huh? My bad. Oh, come on, it's not that bad.
Okay, they can't be that bad. Okay, maybe they are.
What's better, buddy? Smell like gym class?
You like the smell of my new socks, buddy?
Hey.
Oh, come on, it's...
Oh, come on.